Hi guys, hi. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm talking about or showing you three gorgeous fall jackets. They are so on trend, you're gonna love them. But before we go any further, I want you to tell me where are you watching me from? If you're watching me live, because I love my live viewers, just say live and San Francisco, San Diego, New York, wherever you're watching me live from. And if you're watching me on replay, I know a lot of you watch this video on replay. Just say replay, and the country, Dubai, Delhi, Dallas, wherever you're watching me from. I know Dallas is a city, so just to make that right. And I'm also going to publish this poll because hello, we are in fall already. What is your favorite outerwear for the fall season? I've activated the poll. Yes, so it's right there. What is your favorite outerwear for fall season? Do you love wearing fun fall jackets? Do you love wearing sweaters, or both? Or if there is more, if I haven't given an option that you love, put it in comments below that what is your favorite fall outerwear. And I know a lot of you love fall weather and layering and scarves and boots, so tell me your favorite fall fashion fun thing to do. And before we go any further, hi! If we haven't met before, my name is Sandhya Garg. You may or may not have seen me on Project Runway Season 13, your favorite and my favorite fashion reality show with Tim Gunn and Heidi Klum. They did about 15, 16 seasons, and then it was everyone's favorite Christian Siriano and Nina Garcia, like a lot of fun people. I was on season 13, and if you haven't watched my season of Project Runway, go watch it. I promise you, it's one of the best seasons. There's a lot of stunning fashion, amazing drama, a lot of tears by me, and more. And tell me if you liked it or not. And if you have a friend who loves fashion, tag them in comments below, say at the rate and your friend's name, or share this video if you love fashion. I will be so grateful if you share this video, give it that boost up. So thank you for doing that. And if you want to know what I'm up to, what mischief I'm up to after almost 10 years of my season of Project Runway, go take a look at my website, which is my namesake website, Sandhya Garg, www.sandhyagarg, SANDHYAGARG.com, and let me know what do you think. Am I doing good stuff? Is it a train wreck? Just let me know. And if you love fashion, don't forget to follow my Facebook page wherever it's showing down here, labeled Sandhya Garg. I'm on Instagram at Sandhya Garg 11, on TikTok at sandhyagarg.com. Now again, I know I have an exotic Indian name and the spellings might be a little hard, so I'm gonna spell it again. It's S for Sam, A for Apple, N for Nancy, D for damn, H for hot, Y for yellow, A for apple, G for green, A for apple, R for red, G for green.com, sandhyagarg.com. And now let me show you three amazing fall jackets. I know a lot of us love wearing jackets, and I'm sure you have those stunning, classy pieces, a good denim jacket, a leather jacket, a biker style leather jacket, an overcoat already in your wardrobe. What I'm here to show you is how you can elevate any outfit you're wearing and go from lunch to dinner or lunch to drinks, by doing this, wearing this simple statement jacket that are super fun to wear. And I know I'm not, my look is already elevated in this stunning yellow Gatsby maxi dress that I absolutely love. See how cute it looks. And I'm in no way a model size person. I'm a very regular woman with curves. I'm a mom of two. I'm in my 30s. I do love quality fashion, so this is a stunning quality maxi dress. It's one of my best-selling dress, and I've made it in gorgeous new colors. So look at this, how cute it is. I am wearing a size medium. It fits me I kid you not. I even wore this dress to Disneyland, and it was a blast. So that's what I'm wearing. Let me share a link to the dress, and then maybe we'll just quickly jump to jackets. And I have it in black. I have it in noir black, in a stunning Parisian pink, and this stunning Amalfi yellow. It's such a beautiful yellow. I feel like sunshine. And although some might say it is one of like a summer dresses, but I truly feel that if you just style it right, it could be such a transitional dress from summer to fall. And it's just 100% cotton poplin. I believe it's seasonless. It's a perfect beach wedding dress, a perfect garden wedding dress. And if you do with some cowboy boots and a cowboy hat, then it is a ranch wedding dress. So the options are endless. It's so well made. The ruffles, I mean, look, they just feel so cute. Look at the detail. They're all handmade pin tucks, and then the neckline is so sexy yet demure. I love all the demure fashion. Give it to me. So, and the back is a very cute crisscross, and I would show it, but I want to keep it a secret. So you go check it out on my website how it actually looks on. It's on a model. She's wearing size small, and it's absolutely fun. That's my Gatsby maxi dress in three colors, and there's also a variation which you might be able to. The website will link to that. So go check it out and tell me how. If you like my yellow maxi dress, give me a heart in comments below. And now let's jump to jacket number one, which I'm gonna wear right here in front of you, and that's my Emma Green jacket. Let's start by featuring the link to the jacket, and you can just click on these links and it'll directly take you to the website and you can shop from there. I am a direct to consumer brand, so you get the best prices, the best customer service from me. So don't be shy. Go take a look at my website, and if you want yourself a stunning custom dress, don't forget to put your email and your real first name in the pop up that says, "Hi, do you want a free dress?" So that's where you put your name in, and that's the jacket, the Emma Green jacket. Look how cute the details are. Look how stunning these details are. We've layered fabric on fabric. It's actually a woven tapestry jacquard fabric. It's absolutely gorgeous, and the finishing is amazing. That's my label right there. And I'm gonna put this jacket on. I want to show you how cute the back is. This stunning shiny lace just takes you a step further. It really elevates your look. And you could do this with sneakers and a black tank top, black jeans or blue jeans, and you're just having brunch, and then you put this jacket on and you're ready for drinks. So it's super cute. It's casual and dressy at the same time. Of course, it's not black cocktail or black tie in any way, but it's absolutely stunning. Let me put this on and show you how it elevates my dress in nanosecond. So I'm just gonna play with my ruffle. So, and let's take my hair out. Here we go. Whoops, my ear. So here we go. How cute is that? I'm just pulling the ruffle from the dress in, so it does a double duty and makes it stylish. Very Iris Epfel. I'm gonna pick my earring. Excuse me. Oh, the backing is gone. Let's do it without the earring. So that's the look, and I just feel fall ready. Like I could go to a beautiful art gallery, an art event, or a party, take the jacket off, still look cute, put the jacket on, get so many compliments. Look how cute is that. That's the back and the sleeves, and it's just so fun and comfortable, and it just ends right above my hips. Beautiful jacket. So that's jacket number one, Emma Green jacket. If you like Emma Green jacket, give me a like. I look weird with one earring, but bear with me. Give me a like in comments below for Emma Green jacket. I will be linking them, so you can again just go on that link and shop. That's jacket number one. Now let me show you jacket number 2, which is on our lovely lady right here on the dress form. I am going to share the link. It's the Diana women's floral jacket. I just heard the back of my earring. So that's Diana floral jacket. And hello bows. I mean, I'm such a sucker for a cute bow. I think they're feminine. I think they're classy. They're so on trend. The bow trend is not going out of fashion for at least next 2 seasons. So you better jump on it. And it's one trend that I would say jump on it because it's so cute. So this is jacket with these 3 cute, absolutely cute, stunning bow detail. This embroidered lace detail right here. I absolutely love this stunning fabric. There is this thick black piping that we've done. The jacket is again a tapestry woven jacket. Do it with jeans, black jeans, blue jeans with pants, or the model is doing it with a nice black sheath dress, like a black slip dress. I thought it was an amazing, very stylish, very New York look. And you put a hat on and it's a California look, like very West Coast, very Western if you want to jump on the Western trend. So it's such a versatile jacket, and the weight is gorgeous. I mean, it's like not heavy, not light. It's a super like medium weight, well structured jacket. Super fun. So that's Diana floral jacket. If that's your taste, more your taste, give me a wow face so I know which ones you guys like. Now let me show you jacket number 3, which is also super nice, which is the Lucia blue jacket. I'm going to share a link for this jacket below, and I'm going to bring it close to the screen, to the camera, so you can see all the beautiful details of this jacket. So it's actually this stunning woven tapestry style fabric. Look at the placement of, like, it's so placed so nicely, and then a combination of these stunning laces and design details, and of course the pearl embroidery, the crochet lace fringe, the little micro fringe, and then the fabric's been actually layered with this really stunning electric blue net. So it's just so elevated in the taste, in the design. And again, you can do it with a very cute bias slip dress, and just take, it takes it a step further here. Let me show you close by how cute the details are. So that's the Lucia blue jacket. Isn't that cute? I mean, I love it. It's got that little shine to it, which is so party. Like, I feel like it, it just becomes so interesting as soon as there's a little bit of shine, a little bit of thoughtful design. And that's why a designer piece is, stands way above a regular fashion, fast fashion piece. So that's all these details, boutique quality details, make it so cute. So that's jacket number 3. Now tell me which outfit, or how would you style Lucia blue jacket? Tell me in comments below. I love to hear from you. So that's jacket number 3. And do take part in the poll and tell me which one of this is your favorite jacket. Jacket 1, the green jacket, or jacket 2, the Diana floral jacket, or jacket 3, the Lucia blue jacket. Let me know, and do join me for my next Friday live. And don't forget to go check out my website if you want yourself a custom dress from me. Thank you so much for joining me. Mwah. Do take a break, follow my Facebook page, and go check out the website and see if you like anything, and let me know which are your favorite pieces. Thanks. Bye.